In product development, getting an idea to execution is a complex journey, and AI is posed to revolutionize this process, helping us accelerate progress and make more informed decisions. Whether you're engineering a new product or formulating the next breakthrough innovation, SAP Integrated Product Development now includes powerful AI features that can streamline collaboration, boost creativity, and simplify data discovery. Let's take a look at the 3 ways AI is reshaping product innovation, right inside of SAP Integrated Product Development. Imagine working in any app within SAP Integrated Product Development, managing specifications, reviewing ideas, or driving collaboration. And you need help to understand what your next step is or what is possible to do in the solution. So instead of searching through documentation or switching through tabs, you can just ask Joule, our AI-powered co-pilot. Joule responds in a natural language, pulling directly from SAP's trusted help portal to guide you through right in the flow of your work. It is fast, intuitive, and built into every cornerstone of our solution, making the platform more user-friendly and helping teams adopt with ease. Creativity meets intelligence with generative AI for campaign and idea descriptions. A product manager in consumer goods might start a campaign to launch an eco-friendly detergent. After entering just a few sentences to describe the campaign, AI helps transform that idea into a compelling, detailed proposal. You can enrich it or simplify it depending on your audience. In discrete manufacturing, an engineer submitting an idea for a lightweight material can get AI to support to articulate the concept clearly and effectively, increasing the chances for the idea to gain traction and to be successful. When you're working with complex specifications, finding the right data quickly can make all the difference. Using AI-powered natural language search, you just need to describe what you're looking for in everyday language, so there's no need to know the exact system fields or values required to search through. Regardless of the industry scenario in which you're using specifications, the system understands your intent and delivers precise, relevant results so that you spend less time searching and more time creating. These are just a few ways AI is transforming how we collaborate, create, and manage product data in SAP Integrated Product Development. By using AI features, your teams unlock the ability to move faster, make smarter decisions, and drive success confidently. To learn more and stay up to date with our latest innovations for SAP Integrated Product Development, explore our SAP community, visit our website, and check out the SAP Roadmap Explorer.